Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Wallet app. This gets you straight into your stored items. Once done, scan the list and tap the specific card, pass, or transit ticket you intend to remove so you don't accidentally delete the wrong item. Make sure you can authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode because the system may prompt you to confirm removal. This prevents accidental loss and ensures you control what's deleted from your wallet. Now tap the More or Info icon for the selected item to reveal options. This is where removal controls live. Then pick Remove Card or Delete Pass and follow the on-screen confirmation. Press Confirm or enter your Apple ID password if requested. If it's a payment card, make sure to check for active subscriptions or Apple Pay transactions linked to it because removing the card can interrupt recurring charges. Once confirmed, the wallet removes the item and updates Apple Pay if applicable. Finish by reviewing Wallet to confirm the item is gone. If it still appears, close the app and reopen it, or restart your iPhone to refresh the list. If removal keeps failing, sign out and back into your Apple ID or install any pending iOS updates, because software glitches often block deletions. Make sure to contact the card issuer or Apple support if the wallet refuses to remove a payment card. There may be account-side holds or device-side security settings preventing deletion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.